Okay, let's jump right in with the back page of lesson 18 and 19. And we're going to start with some rooting, first of all. Just like adding and subtracting are opposites and multiplying and dividing are opposites, powering and rooting are opposites. So what we can say is 3 squared is 9, but the square root of 9 is 3. They take each other apart, or they undo each other. What I need you guys to do is put a big X through number 1. That's a bad example. We're not ready to study a negative inside of a square root yet. But we can study number 2. The square root of 81. What we're looking for is a number that I multiply by itself to get 81. Well, 9 times 9 is 81. So that means the square root of 81 is 9. But don't forget your negative sign out front. That's a negative 9. Okay, here's something tricky. This here says the fourth root of 16. We're looking for a number that when I multiply it by itself 4 times, I get 16. The answer is never going to be 1, so don't even try 1. Let's start with 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is, lo and behold, 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. Okay, let's try to evaluate some powers now. We have x squared plus y to the third minus z squared, but we have to do some substitution first. X is 3, so that's 3 squared, plus y to the third, 2 to the third, minus z squared, which is 4 squared. Alright, 3 squared is 9, plus 2 to the third, which is 8, minus 4 squared, which is 16. 9 plus 8 is an easy 17. 17 minus 16. Looks like our answer is going to be 1. What I would like you to do is try number 2 and number 3 by yourself. Don't forget to do your substitutions. And look at number 3. It looks as if we could have some distribution work here. Well, I suppose not. Once you substitute in and then raise to the power, there won't be any distributing. Okay, that concludes lesson 18 and 19. If there was anything that you are a little fuzzy on or you missed something, make sure you go back and watch that section of the video. Remember to try numbers 2 and 3 and the 2 problems from the front page, and that's where we'll start lesson 18 and 19 in class.